Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus WordPress. We'll explore their core functionalities, ideal use cases, and help you understand which tool best suits your project needs. Figma is primarily a design and prototyping tool, while WordPress is a robust content management system for building live websites. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of their distinct roles in the digital landscape. Figma truly shines in collaborative UI/UX design, allowing multiple team members to work simultaneously on a single file. Its powerful prototyping features enable you to create interactive user flows and animations, bringing your designs to life. Designers can craft high-fidelity mockups and comprehensive design systems with incredible precision. Being cloud-based, Figma offers seamless accessibility from virtually any device, fostering efficient teamwork. WordPress is the go-to platform for building and managing functional, live websites, from simple blogs to complex e-commerce stores. Its extensive ecosystem of themes and plugins provides unparalleled customization and functionality, catering to almost any requirement. Users can easily manage content without needing any coding knowledge, thanks to its intuitive dashboard. Remarkably, WordPress powers over 43% of all websites across the entire internet. Ultimately, the choice between Figma and WordPress hinges on your specific project goals. Use Figma for the initial design and prototyping phase of user interfaces, crafting the visual and interactive experience. Then, turn to WordPress to build and manage that design as a live, functional website. They are distinct tools, often used sequentially in a web development workflow, each excelling in its specialized domain. There isn't a single better tool, only the right one for your task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.